Do you want a side hustle or side income? Having a day job is hard enough. You come home every day exhausted, worn out, and desperate for anything to distract you from the day you just had. And if you have a family to take care of? Welcome back to job number 2. So if you're hoping to make some extra cash from an online side hustle, you must be realistic about what you can handle outside of work. Which means if your side hustle involves a ton of risk, expenses, moving parts, etc., be ready to spend months if not years slaving away at that thing before it even comes close to your current income. That's the bad news. Now here's the good news. There's a new business model in 2022 and beyond that does not require any of those things. In fact, it's as simple as talking with friends about the brands you love and already buy from. If you can do that, great. Now you just need a specific system to turn that into a 6-figure income stream, in as little as 6 months. In fact, you could potentially start making money within 24 hours of discovering the system if you're an action taker. Quite frankly, this is set up to be the ultimate source of side income I've seen in years. It's about time you had an easy, reliable way to replace or even just supplement your 9-to-5 income in a way that is easy, fun, and simple. So to discover that, make sure you're ready for the Profit Summit, which reveals everything. Plus, when you stay till the end, you'll be in the running for $1,000 of cool prizes, including iPads, Amazon gift cards, and more. Even if you can't attend, register so we can send you more info. We hope you're as excited as we are. Here's to reaching a whole new level of freedom and success in 2022 and beyond. This is a 100% live summit, so please plan ahead and tune in so you don't miss out. There might be a replay, but only for those who have registered. Just click below to grab your seat. Thanks for watching. See you on the Profit Summit.